Welcome to the NewsRamp Government and Politics podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, eager to share today's top business stories with you. NewsRamp.com selects the latest news from leading sources, ensuring you get the most pertinent information. A quick reminder, this podcast is created with the help of AI and AI voices, but the stories we cover are entirely real. You can find the full news articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Tuesday afternoon, June 11th, 2024, and we've curated an intriguing lineup of government and politics news for you today. So whether you're in transit, at the gym, or at home, join us as we begin. Starting off with our first headline.
Government employees in Geneva, Switzerland, accused of genocide and crimes against humanity in a comprehensive communication filed at the International Criminal Court at The Hague. Government employees in Geneva, Switzerland, have been accused of genocide and crimes against humanity in a comprehensive communication filed at the International Criminal Court at The Hague. Neal David Sutz, the author of the communication, has detailed specific acts of genocide and crimes against humanity against 76 individuals and various governmental bodies and institutions in Geneva. This legal action stems from the unjustified seizure and abusive detainment of Sutz's two sons by the Child Protective Services of Geneva nearly 7 years ago. Despite years of legal efforts, Sutz's sons remain detained, leading him to take this matter to an international judicial level. Sutz claims that the Geneva Child Protective System is rife with corruption and abuse, with many children and families suffering similar fates. The situation has escalated to the point where Sutz has filed a communication to the ICC, exposing the atrocities and seeking justice for his sons and others in similar circumstances.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Government and Politics podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.